Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon garlic salmon. You'll need 1 salmon fillet, 1 juice of a lemon, half of a lemon slice for garnish, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 2 garlic cloves grated. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line your sheet pan with parchment paper. Transfer the salmon to the sheet pan with the parchment paper. Squeeze a juice of a lemon over the salmon. Add your grated garlic, sprinkle sea salt, add dried oregano, add lemon slices on top of the salmon. Roast the salmon in the oven for about 25 minutes or until thoroughly cooked. Serve and enjoy.